I loved reading it. It was great, and it was so great that you used the Fischer in it. I love that part.
You know what? I love the Fischer Theater, and I just figured it'd be apropos that it would be the zombies' headquarters. If there's a zombie, apocalypse, by all means, the theater would be the greatest place for them to have their headquarters, and so I decided to incorporate that. And you know what? I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be rude here, but do you hear that noise? Do you hear that?
No, what?
It's been driving me crazy all day. I mean, I keep hearing this. You don't hear it, seriously. You don't hear that?
I don't hear a thing.
You know what? I gotta go. I gotta try to figure out what this is, because it's driving me nuts.
Okay, talk to you later.
What is that noise? Hear that? The noise is everywhere. I think I've been here before for something. I have come here to chew bubble gum, and you know what? I just really don't have time for this today.
Hey, Ripper, loved your last video. It was pretty funny.
Hey, thanks, man. Thanks. Gotta go. Hey, do you hear this noise? It's just driving me crazy all day. You don't hear it?
Man, I don't hear nothing.
Oh, man, I gotta find out where it's coming from. But hey, before I go, have a promotional postcard.
Thank you.
Hey there. How's it going?
Hi.
You remember me, right?
Should I?
Yeah. I think you're in a couple of my videos. Yeah. And we hung out a couple times at the bar. And yeah, I still need to get your phone number though. Because yeah, I think that we should, maybe.
Hey, Ripper, how's it going, man?
Okay.
Remember me? We used to hang out and went to the gym about 5 years ago.
Sure.
It's been a while since we see each other.
Yeah.
It's awesome hanging out with you. We do all kinds of weird stuff. Just kind of crazy nights, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, good to see you. Yeah, we'll get together sometime soon. Yeah, real soon.
Yeah, later, man.
Good to see you.
You know him?
Hell no. Hey, you know that girl that I talked to a few minutes ago? She seemed kind of receptive. I gotta go get her phone number. Hey, you know what? I really think you're cute, and I'd really love to get your number. Maybe we can get together sometime.
Yeah, sure. Here's my number.
Oh!
Stupid clown.
Oh, that did not go well. Oh. This here's where I met Trina. She's an ER nurse. And when she's not getting drunk out at the bars, she's saving lives at the ER. She's proud of her profession. And we're proud to have her in the you-know-what, forget it. Hey, do you hear this noise that I'm hearing? I'll screw you. You know what? I'm starting to hear it. It's becoming more pronounced. I think I'm really getting close to it here. Yeah, you know what? I gotta keep going this way. Oh. Man, it's really, you know what? It's coming from here. It's coming from right here. Hey, you with the rattle, knock it off. It's driving me crazy. Don't make me come up there. She loves her Uncle Ripper.
Oh, yes, she does.
Oh, isn't she cute? She's just the cutest little thing.